Every toothpaste begins far from the bathroom shelf, at the source of calcium itself.
Here, animal bones are carefully collected as a valuable industrial resource. Only clean, intact bones move forward in this controlled process.
Gravity and motion guide the bones toward their first transformation. Before purity, preparation is everything. Water and pressure strip the bones down to their mineral core. Moisture leaves, minerals remain. From processing floor to transport, the journey continues. Contained, controlled, and ready for the next stage. Traceability is built into every single batch. Heavy machinery now takes control of the process. Precision matters, even before the factory doors. Stability ensures core's quality arrives intact. Every shipment is verified before departure.
The raw journey ends here. Industrial transformation lies ahead. With raw minerals secured, transport becomes the next critical step.
Distance is covered with precision and planning. Nothing is left to chance during transit.
Even transport conditions are carefully monitored.
The supply chain moves through the heart of industry. The destination finally comes into view. Every arrival is controlled and documented.
Purification ensures full traceability.
Once cleared, the factory takes control. Internal logistics are as critical as production itself. Automation directs every movement. Accuracy prevents contamination and delay. Safety is locked in before unloading begins. Only approved material enters production.
Transport ends. Processing is about to begin. This is where raw materials officially enter the factory's control.
Handling begins with precision and discipline. Every motion protects material integrity. The journey continues deeper inside. Behind these walls, transformation takes place.
Human discipline powers industrial precision.
Every step is clearly guided. Clean environments begin with controlled entry.
This is the heart of toothpaste manufacturing.
Each ingredient has its assigned place.
Positioning ensures flawless transfer.
Digital records follow every batch.
Machines stand ready for transformation. Coordination prevents error.
The factory now begins its work. Raw material now meets its first purification stage.
Motion and water begin the cleansing cycle. Every surface is treated equally. Cleanliness continues through controlled flow. Human eyes add a final layer of assurance.
Only the right material moves forward.
Nothing is wasted. Everything is optimized. Precision filtering defines quality.
Final rinsing prepares for transformation.
Purity is non-negotiable.
Moisture exits. Minerals remain. Heat now replaces water. Controlled drying stabilizes the material. Force reduces strength into usable form. Size reduction prepares for refinement. Precision replaces raw force. Air and solids part ways. Chemistry now takes over. Stability is engineered, not assumed.
Numbers confirm readiness.
Dry becomes fluid.
Flow replaces containment.
Material waits in perfect balance. Calcium is ready to become toothpaste. This is where toothpaste truly begins to take shape. Controlled motion defines texture. Moisture balance is engineered at this stage. Structure is built layer by layer.
Data confirms the transformation.
Taste enters the equation. Appearance is precisely calculated. Smoothness demands patience. Power and control work together. Heat is managed, not feared.
Experience validates automation.
The formula is complete. From mixture to movement. Toothpaste is born. Now perfection begins. Automation now takes full command. Every gram is measured instantly.
Machines communicate faster than humans.
Consistency is locked in. Quality is checked without stopping time.
Eyes that never blink. Corrections happen instantly.
Feedback keeps perfection alive. Failure is planned against. Cleanliness runs continuously.
That's perfect, yeah.
Balance maintains speed. Problems are solved before they exist. Transition without pause.
Automation. Automation signs off.
Technology clears the path to perfection. Precision now meets presentation. Every tube starts identical. Every gram is deliberate. Accuracy is constantly confirmed. Clean edges ensure strong seals. Closure is final and firm. Traceability stays with every unit. Stability is restored. Consistency tightens the finish. Only perfection advances. Form is now complete.
Appearance reflects discipline.
A seal must never fail. Security is measured, not guessed. Consistency earns trust.
Texture reveals quality.
Safety is scientifically verified.
Cleaning without damage is essential. Performance must match promise.
Records protect accountability.
Quality gives permission to proceed. Standards are enforced without exception. Proof complete. Release begins. Protection begins with packaging.
Product and package unite.
Information travels with every tube. Nothing leaves unfinished. Every box tells its story.
Efficiency scales production.
Retail meets logistics. Speed and strength combine.
Stability is sealed.
Finished goods wait for demand.
The final journey is scheduled.
From factory to world.
And this is how modern factories produce toothpaste from start to finish.
Industry never stops moving.
From raw mineral to daily essential.